Hi everyone, this is Victoria Park and Lawrence Toronto Metro East Drive Test Center. Today we are going to do a G2 mock test. You have to park your car behind the Drive Test Center at Metro East when you come for road test. On the parking lot, it is always better you park the car reverse so that when the road test start, it is easy for you. So my car is parked at reverse. You can see ahead is the Drive Test Center sign. The examiner will come from this door ahead. When the examiner come, he or she will check your car signal if it's working, your brake slide and your horn. After that, you'll start driving. You start driving only when the examiner say you should drive. So from here, you are going to go right. So make sure you signal right. Check any car coming from left side, anybody walking in front of you. If it's safe, start driving on your left. So here you should drive 25 to 35 kilometer or according to the condition. Ahead of you, you are going to make a left turn. So you should signal left. You don't have a stop sign. You just make a left turn, and here is a yellow line. You must be on the right side of the yellow line. And you again going left, signal left, very careful, slowly go. So look ahead, you have a stop sign. From the stop sign, you are going to make a right turn. Signal right, make sure you make a complete stop on the stop sign. Then when it is your turn, you join the road. Ahead, you are going to make a right turn. So signal right and make sure this place is little bit tight. When you make a right turn, many students touch the curb on the right side. So very careful, look around. That is Lawrence Avenue East. You are going to make a right turn. If it's red light, make sure you stop and wait for safe chance to make a right turn. You have to be very careful left side traffic if you make a right turn on red light. They come pretty fast. Okay, the car is stopped, it's safe. I check my blind spot, and right turn always on the right lane. Here is 3 lane. Make sure you make your turn on the right side. This road is 60 km/h speed, so you should drive on 60 km. You will be going straight from this traffic light. So very careful, check your left, right side mirror. Here on the left side there are a couple of streets. Examiner will tell you to make a left turn inside the street. So there is a crosswalk, pedestrian crosswalk. If someone cross, make sure you make a complete stop, not a rolling stop. We're still driving Underhill Drive, and which is 40 km/h. And keep checking my rear view mirror, left side, right side mirror. Examiner will tell you to make a left turn. You signal fast. If a car comes straight, he have the right of way, but there is no car. I check my blind spot, easy. I make the turn. You'll make a quick left turn. You don't have a stop sign. If it's safe, you just carry on. Stay on the right hand side. So we're going back to the center. You go right from here. You have to signal. Again right from here. So we back to the place where you started. One car is coming. I have to be very careful. Say examiner told you to make a head in parking on number 20. Okay, you put your car in parking brake, switch off the engine. At this point, examiner will tell you you pass or fail. Thank you. Hope you. So examiner can tell you here to make a uphill, downhill, park, emergency pullover, something like this. So I will make a downhill park ahead of. So I will make a right turn on the stop sign. They will tell you to make a right turn from the stop. It is always stop. Stop. Whoever stop first, they go first. Signal right. Check left, right, left. Safe to go. Make a right turn. So I'm making a downhill park ahead of me. So I signal right. Check my rear view mirror, right side blind spot, and I'm going to stop my car on the right hand side. I'm not allowed to stop my car on someone's driveway or fire hydrant, so I stop without a driveway. So I put my gear on the park, I on my hands brake, parking brake, and I'm turning my steering to right. So then examiner will tell you drive ahead if it's safe. So make sure you put your parking brake down, put the car on drive, you signal left, check rear view mirror, left side blind spot, and if it's safe, please go ahead. Still a school zone. Then examiner will tell you here to make a 3-point turn. So to make a 3-point turn, first I will pull over my car. I will signal right, rear view mirror, right side blind spot. I pulled over my car. So I'm going to make a 3-point turn. I signal left first, turning the steering all the way left. Check my left side, right side, rear view is safe. Going ahead. Good. Put the gear on the reverse. Signal right. Turning the steering right, looking backward, frontward, everything is safe. Back up. Signal left. Put it in drive. Check if there is no more car coming. Go ahead. Name of this street is Red Willow Drive. Remember it. Thank you. So there is a car ahead. From the stop sign, I'll be going right. Speed limit is still 40. I'll make a left turn here. The car ahead of me, I will make a parallel park. Signal. Check your rear view mirror. Stop to make a parallel park. Reverse. And I'm making the parallel park. Good. After making the parallel park, put the park on parking mode, parking brake, and turn the steering towards right if the road is flat or downhill. If the road is uphill, turn the steering all the way left. Good. Sometimes from the same place, examiner can tell you to make a 3-point turn or drive forward. So I will drive forward, signal left, rear view, left side mirror, safe, join the road. Make sure you check your blind spot and side mirror. So examiner can tell you to make a pullover or emergency pullover. I will do a emergency pullover ahead of me wherever is safe. So I will signal right, check my rear view mirror, right side mirror, right side blind spot, pull over my car, then press the emergency button, park, parking brake. And if it's flat road, turn the steering towards the right. If it's downhill, still right. If it's uphill, left. So examiner will tell you drive ahead when it is safe to go. So parking brake down, put it on drive, emergency button off, signal left, rear view mirror, left side blind spot. Start driving. This name of this street is Corner Brook Drive. So we are going back to the center. We are going to join to the Underhill Drive again. So this is the intersection, but I don't have a stop sign. I'm not going to stop. I'm just going to look and keep going. So the stop sign ahead is not always stop. This is only for me. Car coming from left and right, they will never stop. They will be keep going. Signal right. Stop behind the stop line. Whenever it's safe, you join the road. Make sure you check mostly left side traffic and any pedestrian. No pedestrian, no left side traffic. So I join the road. So this is still 40 km speed road per hour. Crosswalk, no one crossing right now, but if someone cross, you make a complete stop. Here you are going to make a left turn at Lawrence Street. To make a left turn, you have to be on the left lane. You can see the sign on the road. This lane can go straight or left. Right turn lane is for right turn. Make sure you choose the correct lane. While you're waiting for your green light, please check your left and right and rear view mirror. Examiner is going to see your head movement. Okay, it's green light. I'm going to go advance. I'm going to wait for straight traffic or any pedestrian. So there is no straight traffic and pedestrian is out of my way. I'm making the turn. So as I'm making left turn, I have to be on the left lane. Then examiner, even if don't tell you anything, you should move to the right lane if it's safe to move. So I'm signaling, I signal, I check. If it's safe, I'll move to the right, I move to the right. If examiner don't say anything, you better go extremely right. That's where they want to see you know how to change the lane and you know the rules. So examiner will tell you you are making left turn on the center, so you start moving to left. I signal, check mirror, blind spot, it looks safe. Again left, extreme left lane to make the left turn. So I keep the signal on. I'm turning inside the left turn lane. So here is always pretty busy traffic. Be patient and be sure and safe when you make a left turn. Because when you make a left turn, you don't have right of way over straight traffic. And one thing, remember, left turn is only possible in green light. Unless you are not middle of the road as a fast car, you can finish your turn because you will be at point of no return. But you start your left turn when only it is green light. So we are going back to the parking behind the center. When you arrive there, examiner is up to him or her to tell you to park reverse or front parking. Sometimes they can ask you to do both one after another. Sometimes you just do any one. Okay, if any emergency vehicle such as ambulance, fire truck come, even if it's green light, you don't move. You stay where you was. Okay, so it looks safe. The cars are pretty far. I'm making my left turn. There is no pedestrian also. From here, you'll make a quick left turn. You don't have a stop sign. If it's safe, you just carry on. Stay on the right hand side. So we're going back to the center. You go right from here. You have to signal. Again, right from here. So we back to the place where you started. One car is coming. I have to be very careful. Say examiner told you to make a head-in parking on number 20. Okay, you put your car in parking brake, switch off the engine. At this point, examiner will tell you you pass or fail. Thank you. Hope you enjoy.